Hello! In this video, I will give a brief introduction to Google Drive and how to use it. I will also talk about creating a folder and adding a document to it. In addition, I will demonstrate how to share a document to another user. Google Drive is an awesome online cloud storage tool. Cloud storage tools allow a person to store data to a remote location besides a computer or hard drive. Therefore, Google Drive gives people more access to their files in an easier way to share with others. It's simple. To start, you can just Google Drive, comes up, click on the first one, go to Google Drive. So in order to create a folder on Google Drive, I'll demonstrate for you. At the top, there's a little arrow that says, or a little cross that says new. Click on it, add a new folder. We're going to name this folder EDCI 270 because that's what this class is. Okay, working. Opened. So you open it, add a new document, you scroll down here, click on it. We are going to title this EDCI 270 theme. And then you start typing. It'll save because as you can see right here, since it's online, it saves automatically. It's pretty easy. The only time that it's kind of a problem is if the internet isn't that good. But other than that, it's very simple. And let's say you want to share this document. So to do that, see this little share at the right-hand corner? You'll hit it. And you'll type in an email address to whoever you want to send it to. So let's see here. I'll send it to another email of mine. And another thing that's important, if you're sending it to another person, you want to make sure that they can edit it. Because if you're working on a group project, this is very important. And then you want to hit send. Send the link, no sign in required. Awesome. And that's it. Thank you.